All right, now let's do it here, and we can say set by here. Just let's set by here. Then instead of the themes, we can do the dot set here. Dot set underscore now. I think this is not very hard because we have been doing this for quite. Just to elaborate a bit, is that we have this plot that is giving the index, and the index we have said it's this here. So, and also the index of the other one is here, so they are using the index, the same index, which is year 1950 to 2020. And we also have the set by here, which is set to negative 2, meaning the extra here, as we have said, that is not covered or empty things will be eliminated, so that our graph will not drop down until it shows something which is not very good. And having done that, we can just check it. We can shift and press enter. We hold down shift key and press down enter so that we can execute the command. And yeah, you can see now we have two uh, we have two colors here. We have this color and we have this color, and one is for this one, which is for themes, and the other one is for this one, which is for sets. The sets are just growing slowly, but the themes are actually growing huge and big. So we don't know. There is two scales here, and the two scales here, we don't know which one is which. So next time we shall look at how to make this scale rhyme and do each scale, and for the scale for the theme is okay, but the scale for the set you have not set, so that work for next time.